How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the Monsterbass July unboxing. As you can see, this looks a little different than previous videos where I had the physical orange box for the multi-species Midwest region. This is the first month that they actually sent out the bag to me, so I'm excited to jump in and show you guys what it's all about. All right, let's cut this bugger open. Hopefully not cut the bag inside. Oh. Here it is, the bag itself. I'm actually pretty excited to get it in a bag. These are reusable bags. I can put my plastics in these and bring them out on the lake with me. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and jump in. So first thing, they've got, of course, the brochure that walks through everything inside of it. I will, of course, be, oh, that's interesting how they do the prices. $1.7. They missed the other cent on there, which is interesting. Huh, weird. Anyways, this one looks meaty. A lot of good stuff in this one. So we've got Gambler Go Fish. We've got some plastics here. They are purple and black in color with a little bit of green fleck. Gambler Go Fish. These are the 4-inch bacon rind. We also got the Buzz Frog. Let's open this guy up here and take a look at what we got. The Blitz Buzz Frog. Blitz Lures. Ooh, this is nice. It's like a greenish tan colored. We've got the double hooks, a little bit of a weight there. The hook eye, yellow and black eyes, flap tails. Nice. Next up, we've got from Sandbar Tackle, EWG Worm Hook 3-pack. Big Bite Baits. They almost always throw Big Bite Baits plastics, and then I'm probably going to see some jigs in here as well. Quantity 20. These are the Cricket Black. Cool. Excited to use those. Let's see if we can find, yep, there they are. Big Bite Baits. So we've got pink jig heads. These are the Pro Series. These are called the Pink Black Eye Big Bite Jig Heads 1/32 ounce. Look at these plastics. These ones look juicy. Bobby Garland Moglow, #1 crappie plastic glow in the dark series. Interesting stroller. Moglow, 2.5-inch length, thumping action tail, glows in the dark. Recommended jig heads 1/16 to 3/16 ounce. Sunset colored. Really nice coloring on these. Next up, Hyperlastics Creations. These look nifty from Dart Spin. So it looks like you've got your jig head with your plastic soft body and the spinner. Let's open these guys up and show you what they look like. Here they are. So we've got gold body, black eye, nice size hook, the spinner tail. Sweet. Kingfisher Custom Lures. Chartreuse Blue. 11.5 grams. KCL Freak. This one does look pretty nice. Look at this. Square bill on it. Blue into yellow. Look at that eye. The red in the eye. 2 nice sized treble hooks. Chartreuse bottom. You can hear this. Great rattle to it. This is going to go great into the collection. Alright, and the last couple things we got in here. We've got a Monsterbass sticker, American flag. Nice, very patriotic for July. I like it. Golden ticket. $6 t-shirt special. And then, of course, the bag, which I'm excited about to use for plastics. That's how I'm going to use this. So all my plastics will go in here. This will be able to take out onto the boat with me. I can see everything I got, reach in. And if I get these the next couple of months that I'm doing this box, I'll have a few of them, so I'll have an assortment of my plastics bags. If I had to pick my favorite thing outside of this bag, it would for sure be the gold Dart Spin this jig here is gonna be absolutely awesome. It's internally weighted, the gold with the fleck inside of it, the spinning blade on the back. This thing's gonna work absolutely wonderful. I imagine for crappie, I'll get walleye, bass. I mean, I'm gonna get everything hitting on this guy. So I would say out of the 4 or 5 of these Monsterbass boxes, bags that I've gotten, this is for sure my favorite one so far. I'm really excited about what's to come. I was thinking about after a couple more of these potentially stopping because I'm getting a lot of what I feel are duplicate type things from Monsterbass, but this one kind of re-engaged my spirit around some of the variety that they have, and of course the bag is a winner. I'm super happy that they moved to that for this region as well. So if you like this video, check out the playlist that's on the screen with more of the unboxings, even of different companies. And as always, until next time, take it easy.